so many kinds of animals. In last chapter, we learned about our environment. In this chapter, we are going to learn about different kinds of animals. These animals are very useful for us. They give us meat, milk, eggs. They even guard our house and help us carry burden. Scientists have classified these animals in different ways. First, where we find them. We find birds in the sky. We find animals on the land and some animals who live in water. Scientists also classified animals based on their color. For example, white, we see animals like ducks or swans, hare, and polar bear in white color. Animals which are black, for example, crow, buffalo, jaguar, etc. There are also animals present in the nature which are multicolored. For example, peacock, you can see multicolors, that is many colors in one animal. Also butterfly, we see butterflies in many different colors. Scientists also describe these animals according to their height and size. Animals which are big in the size, for example horse, giraffe, elephant. Animals who are medium in size, for example duck, sheep, cat, dog, pig, etc. Small size animals, for example rabbit, squirrel, mouse, hamster, etc. There are animals which are very small in size. For example, snail, scorpion, ant, spider, grasshopper, etc. These are the smallest animals we see around ourselves. Next, the scientists have classified animals according to their movements. That means which animals move faster and which animals move slow. Animals like cheetah, horse move faster. Animals like squirrel move faster because of its tiny body. It can jump from one place to another. Next comes animals with slow movements. For example, tortoise. Animals like elephant have bulky body. Because of their heavy weight, they move slowly. They cannot jump and run like animals like squirrel. Animals like elephant are also used to carry heavy loads or heavy weights. Animals who live in forest or jungle are wild animals, whereas animals that we keep at our home, we call as pet animals, are also known as domestic animals. These animals give us milk, meat, eggs, help us carry burdens, and help us in many other ways. These animals are dear to us. We take care of them and give them food. Gatecrashers. These animals are known as gatecrashers because they enter our house without our permission. For example, cockroaches, ants, mouse, spiders, etc. These animals can destroy the stored food grains and other foods kept in our house. Sometimes these animals can be really dangerous for our health. We suckle our young ones. Now, scientists have also classified animals who suckle their young ones, that means feed their young ones with their own milk. These animals have small hair on their body and have external ears. For example, dog, deer, cow, buffalo, etc. Now we fly. Animals who can fly, which we call them as birds. Birds can fly high in the sky, but there are birds who cannot fly as high as the other birds. Eagle can fly the highest in the sky, but birds like hen or cock cannot fly that high in the sky. Animals that live in water are called as fish. Gills on fish's body help them to breathe in the water. Fin and tail helps them to swim in the water, whereas the scales on the body of a fish helps to protect its skin in the water. You can see the diagram. We creep and crawl. Some animals do not have legs or have short legs, so they cannot walk properly. So they either creep or crawl. Animals like chameleon or house lizard creep because of their short leg. Animals like snake crawl because it has no legs at all. Insects. These animals have wings, they can fly, but they are not birds because they have 6 legs and they are very small in size. That's why they are called as insects. For example, butterfly, honeybee, grasshopper, bugs, mosquitoes, etc. The last animal we are going to talk about today is bat. This animal has wings, external ears. They do not have fur on their body. They also have legs. They suckle their young ones. But they are not birds. They are not animals. Scientists say that they are called as mammals. So students, I hope you have learned something today. These are some objectives from the lesson. You can revise this at home. Thank you.